Hi guys. So in India, ChatGPT is also free under some with some conditions, but I'm still using the free version of it. Uh, Today, I want to upgrade, and let's see how and what the process we have to upgrade to. Okay, so the first thing I can see here. So if I click on the upgrade, I can see earlier it was 399 the Go plan, but now it is 0 INR per month. Okay, for the first 12 months. So first 12 months it is free. Okay, so let me cross this one and go back again here. So first thing you'll have to log in and you'll come here on the main URL, and under the left panel you'll find the bottom left the upgrade side. Okay, along with your profile name and the picture, I will click here on the upgrade. And here this plan is especially launched for the India. The 399 is now in zero under the Go plan. And what all we'll have here. So go deep on harder questions, chat longer and upload more content, make realistic images for your projects, store more context for smarter replies, get help with planning and tasks. Okay, so you see here there are lots of additional things have been added apart from the whatever you are getting in the free version of zero, correct? And you can also explore the plus one will have more additional feature, and here under pro you'll have more features. So let me try clicking here and let's see whether it is asking to add here the card or not. Okay, so I have clicked on that button, and now I can see it is asking me to here to pay. Okay, so I'll be using my UPI. So anything it is asking me to pay here. Okay, so I will add my full name. Okay, so India automatic coming. So address I can put here. Okay, so this is it. So I'm adding this, and the virtual address it is asking. So I will add my UPI virtual address. So this is okay. So I'm purchasing for now. I'm not purchasing for business. You will be charged the amount and at the frequency listing above until you cancel. So we may change our price as described in our terms and policy. So your charge will be applicable once you cross the limit of 1 year. So you see here ChatGPT Grow 12 months free. So this will be when this will be charged. So after 12 months it will be deducted automatically. Let's see if I click here on the subscribe what it says. Okay, so you should have received a notification on your phone to authenticate this payment. So once your UPI app to complete, open your UPI app to complete this payment. So I can open here on my phone. I am opening here. Okay, so I have opened now, and I don't see any message here. Okay, so under notification, ideally I should see. Let me click there. Nope, I don't see. I don't see any message. So cancel and pay other way. So I will check again. So PTSDFC is fine. So everything looks good, but still it is not appearing. Yeah, now it appears. Okay, so now I can see I have, so now I can see I have set up automatic payment for this. Okay, so set up automatic. So now I'm going to do this. Okay, so request expiring this. So I have done this. Okay, so automatic payment setup I have made successfully from my here, and payment 1 rupees has been deducted from my account. So maybe for the verification purpose, so that they can verify at their end whether whatever the details I have input here is correct or not. So maybe for that purpose, but yeah, so they have deducted only one. So I can see here, if I go to the balance and history, I can see the 1 rupees of deduction. Okay, and message you should have received a notification on your phone to authenticate this payment, and the same message appearing again. So maybe it will take some time, but I have done from here. And to cancel that automatic payment, you'll have option there. So you can search here automatic payment, and of course you will have to cancel in case you want to deactivate this. Okay, so this is, yeah. So now here you see you are now subscribed to the ChatGPT Go. Okay, so here I have that option. Okay, so now I am under the Go plan. So you see here it is appearing here. So once you're done with this, you can cancel the automatic concept here over the chat. And of course, now I am going to cancel that automatic setup. Otherwise, the amount will be deducted. I don't want any amount here to be deducted. So this way you can use this the Go version and try this at a rent, and only you'll have to pay one. So in my case, I had to pay one 2 times because it was stuck somewhere. But yeah, so 2 rupees, in 2 rupees I am having here the Go plan. So that is all. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.